Hey guys, this is B and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a chatty unboxing and let's start. So this box, I've already removed the paperwork. This is purchased from Cute Things from Japan. I first heard about them from the stationery cafe, and I placed an order specifically for one particular item and they got it. So let's open this one up. So it says arigato. Oh, spring sakura. And ooh. So okay. And this is what we want. Oh, it's nicely wrapped. Let's see. Okay, so the Instagram for the shop is Cute Things from Japan _official. I can just link that one below. And let's unwrap this one. It's beautifully packaged. Yes, I carefully open packages because sometimes like for example, the washi, I use them on my journal, so nothing is wasted. And if I can get the other one. It's easy to tear off washi tapes compared to just regular tapes. So ooh, another bubble wrap. Take this one off and we got another set of tape. Oops. There, okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I can't remember what I bought. So obviously, first item, Mind Wave. So anything dog stickers related, it's yes. And then the next one, BGM Life. So these are like little shop stickers. So this is like 15 designs, 45 pieces. And ooh, oh, I like this one. And wow, thank you. So I guess with what I ordered, she figured I like coffee. And wow, oh, Sakura. So I remember Rainbowholic showing some of these, but I mean, she did a recent haul that I watched. Oh, and then some stickers, washi, and oh, ooh. Oh, okay. And then what is this? Let me see. Okay, so I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I ordered 10 items in total. there was actually a mistake that I did. There was two. I didn't notice that when I placed the order there was two of the same thing, and I only realized it when I was getting notifications from DHL. So this was shipped through DHL because I've signed up for it, and that's when I saw that there was some back order for this item, this one right here. So I tried to see if it will, if I'm gonna be able to make it, and thank goodness she managed to. So thank you, Ayako. And this one, ooh. Oh, so it's like a booklet. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna read those later. But this one, okay, let me set this aside. So I got item number 1, number 2. This 2. Wow, it's really carefully packaged. And then, yeah, this is I think a collaboration for this rubber stamp, obviously coffee. So item number 3. And then this is another rubber stamp by Eric Small Things. This was what I've requested as a replacement. And then this one, I think, Crimson. So another rubber stamp. This was the one that I ordered 2 items of, and I don't actually need 2. So the replacement was, I asked to replace with this. So and then I got 4 washi tapes. It's a summer limited washi tape hydrangea, so by BGM. So this 2 are BGM. Yeah, this one is Mindwave. And then another one, which is, oh, so this 2 from BGM. This one and then this one are from Mindwave. And this one has like that thing. So obviously it's again coffee. And then 2 more, which is from Papier Platz. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but it's Eric Small Things. So 2 washi tapes, and these 2 are currently sold out in Malaysia. So hence I saw it from her that's available, so I got it. And then last but not the least, ta-da! The Endless, wait, let me get the full name. So this is the Endless Stamp Set Happy Planner. So this is a collaboration between Sanbi and Eric. And yeah, I keep seeing this one on Instagram, and I'm still trying to hunt for, I think that was the first, where it's like rubber stamp, like the traditional one, and it's pretty much sold out everywhere. So if I can find it, then that's it. At least I have this. So these are the designs. You can click those. See? I'm gonna click the whole thing. And then you can stamp in one shot, or you can take this all separately. So I'm not gonna use this for the time being. Well, I will, but so check nice. I think these two are a bit familiar. Oh yeah, check. And then you've got check. Then enjoy, scissors, house, camera, phone, flower, coffee, I don't know, memo, light, fountain pen, and what's this one? Radio? Yeah. And then ink, and then clip. So yeah, that's pretty much what's my unboxing. So 10 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna play around with the ones I've got. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.